It's Saturday, which means it's vlog day. Right now, I'm about to go Uber driving because I haven't done it all week and I kind of miss it. And after I'm done doing that, I don't really know what we're gonna do for the rest of this vlog, but I guess we'll find out. Let's roll the intro. I woke up 5 hours ago and I'm eating lunch. She woke up 5 minutes ago and she's eating breakfast. It's time for me to get a haircut. And there we go. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
We have a tornado warning, and so we're hunkered down in the basement for a little while.
Kind of weather aware. Zeeland, Hudsonville, Georgetown Township, Allendale, Talmadge. You guys are all potentially in the line of this if it continues to hold. And that's one thing we've actually seen this storm do, is continue to hold. So this isn't one of those quick spin-ups like we saw just the other week that actually did damage. This is one that looks like it's either skipping or potentially staying on the ground. And it does look like it has at least done a little bit of debris, and we've seen that on radar.
We're live.
And now we're going over to Best Buy by the mall, and one, to check out the damage that was done, because that's exactly where the tornado hit, and two, because we need to go to Best Buy to pick up a couple things. Boom. That's all we got.
Yes, I'm cutting lettuce with scissors.
What you making?
Tacos.
Now that dinner is done, we're going to our aunt's house to go have a movie night with them and some of our cousins.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
This is how we do it.
Knock, knock.
Hi, Lucy.
Here, say hi.
Hi.
Would you like it?
Oh man.
Oh man.
Lights are dimmed.
Alright, see you guys.
Yeah.
Nice
Nice
meeting you
to
too.
meet you.